English shorthand dictation 80 words per minute.
Start. Every employer desires that all his workers take due interest in their work and turn out the work to the maximum extent possible. On the other hand, there is a feeling among the workers that any effort on their part to increase their output of work only benefits the employer even if they are employed on a piece rate basis. The result of this is that the workmen show no willingness to produce work to their full capacity, but on the contrary, do the minimum work necessary. This understanding on the part of the workers might be removed either through fear or through expectation of a gain. It is noticed that fear can never produce the desired effect. The feeling of fear can only force the workman to do the minimum work necessary to keep him in employment, while the hope of earning a bonus always acts as an incentive to produce more work. Para. So, if the employer wants the workmen to produce more than they normally do, the employer should not think of retaining for himself all the extra profits which he obtains as a result of their increased effort. At the same time, the workers are not justified in claiming that the whole benefit should go to them alone, as their increase in output is partly due to their own efficiency and partly due to better organization, better working conditions, and better implements which the employer provides them. Para. Another reason why the employer should get a share is that an increase the output of work may often be due to any addition to the capital outlay and might involve an additional risk in production for which he rightly becomes eligible for some compensation. It will be logical also to assume that some part of the benefit should be also go to customers by way of reduction in prices. Para. The various bonus schemes at present are based on this principle. The difference between the various bonus schemes lies in the manner in which the extra benefit is shared between the employer and the employees. A standard output within a standard time is fixed on the basis of previous experience. The fixation of a high standard, difficult for the majority of workers to attain, may not act as an incentive to them, whereas the fixation of low standard may involve so much loss to the employer. Stop.